Strawberry on my lips.
Okay guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today video is all about how you can reuse your hair extension. If you are anything like me, you love to change up your hairstyle often, but sometimes it can be so expensive to keep buying hair all the time. That's why I'm going to show you how you can reuse your braid so that you can get more mileage out of them. Trust me, you are gonna want to see this video, guys. You know, hair have been so expensive since the pandemic. Everything have been sky high, and trust me, you can reuse your hair extension to create any other style. All you need to do after braiding is to just place it back in some hot water, and you put whatever beauty smelling you want to put in your hair, guys. So let's get right into this video. Before we get into this video, I'm just gonna ask you to remember to hit that subscribe button somewhere there. Make sure to like and leave a comment in the comment box, guys. As I mentioned in my last video, I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2022. Please help me do so. And I just want to say thank you in advance for doing that, guys. So let's get right into this video. So as you can see, guys, if you have been watching my video before or previously watched my video, you know that I like to pre-part my hair before I start. Pre-parting the hair helped me to actually braid much faster and get this job done much quicker, guys. So let's get right into this. So as you see, this allow you to braid so much super faster to get it done in a much time. This here take me literally 2 hours and 15 minutes, which was not long at all. So guys, keep watching this video to the end. Remember to give me thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, the braid still look fresh, still look good, still look new. If you don't need to throw out your braid when you use the braid, you just need to wash it in some nice smelling shampoo and conditioner and make it beautiful and use it again. Hair does not spoil. If you get the good expression, you can reuse the hair, guys. So keep watching this video to the end to see the outcome, guys. And remember to share this video as well. Have a lovely and awesome day. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.